Hey, fitness fam! Welcome to the Smart Flicker. Struggling to stay motivated at the gym? You're not alone. If you've ever felt like skipping a workout or just can't seem to stay consistent, today's video is for you. We're diving into the fascinating psychology behind gym motivation, why we feel the way we do before, during, and after a workout, and giving you the strategies you need to stay on track. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to keep that motivation high and crush your fitness goals.
Segment 1. Understanding motivation. Let's start by understanding what motivation really is. Motivation is the driving force behind everything we do, but it's not as simple as just feeling like it every day. Psychologically, motivation is divided into two types, intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic motivation versus extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation comes from within. It's that feeling of accomplishment when you finish a workout or the satisfaction you get from improving your strength and endurance. It's all about the journey and the personal rewards you experience. Extrinsic motivation, on the other hand, comes from external rewards. Things like hitting a goal, earning a medal, or getting compliments from others. While both are important in the gym, research shows that intrinsic motivation tends to be more sustainable. It's the type of motivation that keeps you going when external rewards aren't around. But how do you tap into that intrinsic motivation, especially when you don't feel like working out?
Segment 2. The brain's response to exercise. Here's where the brain comes into play. When you exercise, your brain releases powerful chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins, basically your brain's way of rewarding you. These are the same chemicals that make you feel great after a workout and encourage you to do it again. It's like your brain saying, "Good job, let's do this again." Dopamine ya serotonin equals motivation. But here's the catch. Your brain doesn't always want you to work hard. The brain is wired to seek pleasure and avoid discomfort. So, on days when you're tired, or when the gym feels like a chore, it can be hard to push through. The good news is there are ways to outsmart your brain and get back to the gym.
Segment 3. Strategies to stay consistent. Now, let's talk about how you can hack your brain and stay consistent with your workouts. These strategies will not only boost your motivation, but will also help you stay on track over the long term.
Strategy 1. Set micro goals. First up, set micro goals. It's easy to get overwhelmed when you focus on huge milestones. Like, I want to lose 20 pounds or I want to bench press 100 pounds. Instead, break your goals down into smaller, more manageable chunks. For example, focus on losing 1 pound a week or increasing your bench press by 5 pounds every month. Hitting these small goals provides you with frequent wins, and each one gives you a dopamine boost, making it easier to stay motivated. Strategy 2. Create a consistent routine. Next, create a consistent routine. The brain loves habits, and the more you make working out a regular part of your day, the less mental effort it will take to get yourself to the gym. Set a fixed time for your workouts each day. It could be first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or in the evening. Eventually, your brain will begin to expect the workout, and it'll become much easier to get to the gym. Strategy 3. Make it social. Here's another powerful strategy. Make it social. Working out with a friend, joining a fitness class, or even participating in an online workout group can add an extra layer of motivation. When you're accountable to someone else, you're less likely to skip your workout. Plus, socializing while you work out makes the experience more enjoyable, helping you stay consistent. Strategy 4. Visualization and positive self-talk. Another technique that's scientifically proven to help with motivation is visualization. Before you hit the gym, take a moment to visualize yourself completing your workout. Picture yourself feeling strong and accomplished as you finish your set. This technique can trick your brain into associating the workout with positive feelings, which makes it easier to push through.
Segment 4. Overcoming setbacks. Let's be real, setbacks happen. Maybe you miss a workout, or you hit a plateau and feel like you're not making progress. It's easy to get discouraged, but the key is not to give up. Research shows that people who experience setbacks and keep going tend to reach their goals faster in the long run than those who quit. Remember, consistency is about the long-term journey. You're not going to be perfect every single day, and that's okay. What matters is that you get back at it and don't let a missed workout derail your progress. Segment 5. Final thoughts. So, to sum it up, the secret to gym motivation isn't about waiting for the perfect moment to feel motivated. It's about understanding how your brain works and using strategies to keep pushing forward. Intrinsic motivation, building habits, setting micro goals, and visualizing success are all powerful tools to help you stay consistent. Stay consistent. Stay strong. Remember, motivation is a skill you can develop, just like your strength. So don't get discouraged and keep showing up. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment sharing how you stay motivated at the gym. I'd love to hear your tips. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button for more fitness hacks. See you next time. Keep crushing it.